Hello guys, what's going on? Welcome to my channel again. It's Bizay here, and today I'm going to reviewing the Evergreen system. And with this, you're gonna get you will get the Rejuvenate system, which will allow you to get commission from your old affiliate links from the old products. So, and with this, you can earn up to more than $100 per day, and this is very unique method, and this is very proven method for those who want to earn money by through the affiliate marketings. And with this, you don't need to have any websites, you don't need to have any email list, or it's not about any ads, paid ads or any ads. And with this, you'll get thousands of traffic, millions of traffics on tap, and you'll get more commission with this. If you feel this sounds good for you and it's beneficial for you, then stick with me. I'm going to give you more details about this product, and also I put some custom bonuses for those who want to buy this product from my link, which I mentioned down below in the description box of this YouTube video. And the first link of the description box is my affiliate links, and once you click here, you will be landed on my bonus page, my stunning bonus page. And also today I'm going to go through the sales page and the member area all about, and you will see everything in details here. So stick with me and let's jump to my PC. So this is my special bonus page for the Evergreen system. This special bonus page will come down at 12 p.m. standard time on Friday, June 11th. And this special bonus page it says rejuvenating your old affiliate links, which will make you $100 per day. And this is very newbie friendly, and this is the countdown. And once the countdown hits 0, all my bonuses will be expired, and this is something which I don't want you to miss out. So take action before the countdown hits 0, and once it does, all my bonuses will be expired and you will not be able to get my bonuses. So before that, you have to take action to click any of this button. And once you click here, you will get you will be landed on the sales page, and this is the sales page of this. And once you click here, you will purchase the Evergreen system by clicking here. Now, so let's see what is all about the Evergreen system. This is the completed training based product, which will teach your tribe how to reinvigorate and breathe new life into their existing and new affiliate links and all promotion that could earn you $100 per day by using this system. It's not only that, with this system you will work in any niche you wish to promote. And these are some upsells, and we're gonna talk it later. Let's see about my bonuses that I'm going to give you today with the Evergreen system completely free. The first bonus that I'm going to give you is learn Facebook ads from the best. So here you're gonna learn the Facebook ads, how to set the Facebook ads, and how to run the Facebook ads. Everything you're gonna learn here with the first bonus. The second bonus that I'm going to give you is learn how to do proper email marketing. Here you're gonna learn everything about the email marketing. Here you're gonna learn everything about the email bank, email list, how to send the email to your email list, and everything you're gonna learn here. And yes, we all know that email marketing is the main assets. Email bank, email list is the main assets for all the marketers out there. So in the second bonus here, you're gonna learn everything about the email marketing. In third bonus that I'm going to give you is make proper review videos using Launchjacker. They're gonna teach you everything about how to make proper review to get more commission and to make more sales and get more commissions. You're gonna learn everything about review videos from the Launchjacking, how you make review videos from the Launchjacking. You're gonna learn everything over here. And fourth bonus number 4 is I'm gonna give you access for timeless traffic. Here you're gonna get tons of traffic with this on your website, on your blog, or any of your offers. You can target any offers to the timeless traffic, unlimited traffic to your offers, and with this you're gonna have lots of sales with lots of commissions. So fifth number bonus that I'm going to give you is all vendor bonuses that vendor gives to me to give to you. So on top of this vendor bonuses, you're gonna get all my bonuses, which is really valuable. And with this, you will get more out of this product with my bonuses. And this all bonuses are completely free, even if you buy the front end of this Evergreen system, which costs you $12.95. And in this, you'll get access for full powerful Evergreen system software and training modules. There are some upsells as well. Upsell number one is the Evergreen System Pro, and it's gonna cost you $37, but in downsell you'll get in $27. And upsell number three, it's done for your campaign. Here it costs you $67, but in downsell now you'll get in $47, and here you'll get 10 host selling done for your campaign included, done for your bonus page, review video, and product demo. And you'll get 5 more custom bonuses delivering for you here. It's really valuable. And option number 3 is reseller rights here, and it's gonna cost you $37, but in downsell now you will get this in $17 only. So, and in this you can sell this Evergreen system as your own, and you can keep 100% of the sales. And option number 4 is one-to-one coaching classes, and it costs you $97, but in downsell now it costs $77 only. And here you'll get one-to-one coaching and conversation and collaboration, where you can ask Jay Lee on how to use the Evergreen system to its full potential, with an action plan to move them forward. Should they encounter any issue, or just ask anything you want about internet marketing. So everything you're gonna learn here in this upsells. So let's see how is the one. And if you feel this is something important, click here any of this button and you will be landed on the sales page. Sales page looks like this, and it says that rejuvenating your old affiliate links is making you $100 per day. And this is completely newbie friendly and proven method. Here you don't need to have any experience, and you'll get unlimited traffic on tap, and it's complete end-to-end system. You don't need to pay monthly fees. It's not about the pay ads, and this is not about the website. Here you don't need websites, no need email list, and also it comes with 30 days money back guarantee. No question asked. 30 days money back guaranteed. They will not ask you any question. There is no any conditions. If you don't like this, you can ask for your refund, and you will get refund all your amount immediately. So, and this is all about the Evergreen system. You can see here, you can read this in your own time, so that you will have better knowledge about this product. And these are some testimonials, and these are the results by using this Evergreen systems. And you can see this is really good results, and you can read this in your own time. Let's jump to the member area. What you after purchasing, how the member area looks like. Let's see. So this is the member area. Once you purchase this, once you log in into the member area looks like this. And here you can see the welcome videos by Jay Lee, and also the welcome video by Tobias Braun. And you'll see the introduction about the Evergreen system. What is all about the Evergreen system, you're gonna see here. And these are the main training course. You're gonna learn everything here, and also the tools and sources. In main training, they're gonna teach you how to find the products to promote, and also promotion platforms. They're gonna teach you everything about what is the promotion platform, and how you find that. And you're gonna teach you exactly link approval techniques, how you can get approved from the vendors. Everything you're gonna learn here. And also choosing your Evergreen product to promote, how you can choose that offers the Evergreen products to promote, so that you'll get more commission and more sales. And also an introduction to the Commission Gorilla, how the Commission Gorilla works. They're gonna teach you everything here. And using Commission Gorilla, how you can use the Commission Gorilla, everything they're gonna teach you here. And tools needed, what tools you need for the affiliate marketing, they're gonna teach you here. And for the recording reviews with OBS, how you can record your screen while you are making review videos with the OBS, how you can use OBS, they're gonna teach you everything here. And also editing your review videos. Everyone in the affiliate marketing who is making review videos, they need to edit their videos to make their review perfect. So they're gonna teach you everything about the editing as well, and how to upload your YouTube video on YouTube. Everything they're gonna teach you here. And what the description you need to put, and how you rank your videos, everything they're going to teach you here. And in the tools and resources, they're going to tell you exactly what tools you need for the affiliate marketing. And here you can see its resources: Commission Gorilla, second is Image Check, third you need Canva, fourth GetResponse, Munchai, Wondershare, Uniconverter, Video App Suites, VSDC Video Editor, OBS. This all you need, and how you can use all these tools and resources, and from where you get this. They're gonna teach you everything over here, and their conclusion, and they're gonna tell you about how you can use this to get more results and more benefits, also bonuses that vendors gives to you. You can have access, you can get access from here. Bonus number one that the vendor is going to give you is the traffic handbook, and the two is online ad mantra, and bonus number three is YouTube ad expenses, and bonus number 4 is profit from PLR, and bonus number 5 is PLR hackathon workshop. So you get 5 bonuses from the vendor as well, and 4 bonuses that I'm going to give you completely free. So totally you get 9 bonuses. It's completely insane, my friends. So you'll get more out of this product with these bonuses, and you'll get more sales and more commission, and you'll enjoy your life with the high level of earnings. So, and there are some upgrades as well. So you can, if you want, you can upgrade it in as you like. And advertise bonuses, you can see here there are also some bonuses: 6 motivational mojo, 7 the secrets, 8 the missing secrets audio package, and this is the special training course that you're gonna see the how you can make 10,000 per month using the evergreen system knowledge. So you can see here everything is here, and it's complete package and complete business in a box. You can see, you can choose this, and you can take this to make your life success. And because with this system, you will, for sure, you will get your life successful, and you can be a successful person in the affiliate marketing. So thank you very much, guys, that you stay with me up to now, and I believe you got a very good information, very valuable information about the evergreen system, and I believe that you will get more benefits with this product. And see you in the next video. And if you are new in my channel, do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notified once I upload any videos. And if you like the information, please like the video and comment down if you have any question, or if you want to ask me anything, you can comment me down in the comment box. And see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Have a nice day.